What's going on, guys? Hope y'all are doing amazing, man. Today was a good day for me, and I hope it's a good day for you guys too, because as you guessed it from the thumbnail, we made two crazy trades today. All right, two crazy trades, and they were so simple. The setups are so simple that even a kindergarten can learn it. Literally, I'm not even playing. As I get into it, you will understand why I say that. Before we start, I would really like one favor from all of you, and it's one favor only. Leave a like under this video, subscribe to my channel, and also check out the link in the description below, because the links have my Instagram, my Discord, and my Telegram. The Telegram not so important, but the Instagram and Discord, trades like these are put out on my Discord for free, 100% for you. All you have to do is go click and join, and you can trade with me every single day, 100% free. I'm not going to charge you a single dollar for that, okay? Whereas other traders charge you money for their Discord and their signals. Mine are completely free. And also check out my Instagram, because I put out daily updates of my life and just content in general, what I'm doing. Just follow along, grow the 80 Trades channel as my YouTube is growing as well. So anyways, without a further ado, let's get right into it. All right, so now that we hopped on the charts, let's look at what we did today. So there were two trades, this one and this one, all right? So why did I take these trades? We're gonna focus on this trade over this trade today, because this is just more of a complicated setup and I don't have time to record it today. I will record over the weekend and post the video for you guys next week. But for today, let's focus on this trade because it's a simpler breakout strategy, and I also made a lot more money on this trade than I did with this trade. As you can see, it's pretty visually appealing to you guys as well, right? So let's get into it. Why did I take this trade? So first of all, just for the sake, let me remove that. Now, as you can see, we have a bullish trend where we also have a lot of touch points on a trend line. Now, a lot of you guys can say that trend line strategies don't work, but man, it literally worked, and you see that's how I trade. Trend line, well, not trend line, but breakouts and liquidity, all right? So let me tell you how this is a breakout. So as you can see, we have one touch point, two, and here is where we broke it. As you can see, we broke this trend line right there. Let me zoom in a little bit more so you guys can see what I'm talking about. Right there, that bearish candle broke the trend line. So let me mark that in red, okay? That bearish candle broke the trend line. And now when we broke the trend line, it means the breakout trade. I'm a breakout trader. So what do? I enter my trade. So boom, right there, we entered. As you can see, that's my short position. We entered again, and yeah, I mean, literally that's all it is. And we had a couple of key levels here, 1, 2, and I had some marked from here, 2, 3, 4, 5, and I targeted liquidity in the bottom. So resting liquidity that needs to be taken out, right? So for example, right here, this swing low over here was my main target liquidity, all right, because it was a lot of liquidity. And also, if you guys are wondering what indicators I use for liquidity, it's right here. I'm going to show you right now. It's called the Liquidity Swings by Lux Algo. Go join it, go add it in your chart, whatever you want to do. The settings are right here. Inputs, okay, these are my settings. So go copy the settings. It's literally called Liquidity Swings by Lux Algo. It's 100% free. All you have to do is add it. It'll tell you major liquidity zones, all right? And if you don't know how to add liquidity without having the indicator, go watch my liquidity video. It's somewhere, I'll link it somewhere here on the sides of the video. It'll pop up right now for you guys to go watch. So go watch that before you start actually using the indicator, because if you don't know how to innately do it without having to use an indicator, you're not going to succeed in trading, all right? Especially with my strategy, at least. Now, we had this major liquidity zone here, and I knew that. So I targeted that for my take profit. So right here, we had two entries, okay? Or actually three entries right here. Oh wait, no, these are the two entries that I had. This one is from this trade right here, as you can see. This one is from that trade. And my bad, guys. So we entered over here because we retraced and touched that zone over here, right here, right? We broke out and we retraced and we touched it. And then boom, ever since then, we just started dumping and dumping and dumping, and then we hit TP. That's literally all it is. Breakout liquidity, bro. I cannot stress it enough. You guys need to understand. Breakout liquidity. Breakout target liquidity. That's literally, you got to ingrain this in your head. All right? Breakout liquidity. Breakout liquidity. That's all you have to do. Consolidation, breakout liquidity. Consolidation, breakout liquidity. Or trend line, breakout liquidity. Trend line, breakout liquidity. Whatever it is, right? Breakout liquidity, man. So simple. Literally so simple. Let me give you a better understanding and a better demonstration of what happened here, okay? Just for you guys to understand what I'm really talking about. So this is what we kind of had going on today, okay? This is what we kind of had going on today. Okay, so what really happened is a very shitty illustration, but don't mind my shitty drawing skills on the charts. Okay, I don't really do this, but anyways, we had this bullish move. After this bullish move, the trend line got broken out over here. As you can see, this was a trend line that got broken out, right? See that? Trend line that got broken out. And then what happens is price comes back to retrace this trend line that it broke out from. And that's when I entered my short position. And then boom, I targeted liquidity resting underneath. And it just kept going and going and going. And my stop loss was right above this trend line, okay? So as you can see, my stop loss is right above that trend line. If you see closely, look closely, my stop loss is right above that trend line, right? That's all I targeted, okay? That's all I did. This is such a simple trade, guys, and anyone can do this. And this trade was also put out on my Discord for 100% free, like every single other of my trades that I put out 100% free for all of you guys. So join my Discord and show me some love, and also join my Instagram and also show me some love. Let's build a community as 80 Trades, all right? And if you guys see me anywhere outside, just come say hi, whatever it is. You know, I live in Toronto, so whatever it is, come say hi. I'm also going to Chicago and London over the weekend, guys. It's gonna be a crazy, hectic weekend, so follow my Instagram to see some updates on my life and just stuff that I do on my daily basis, you know what I mean? So I guess that's something people like to see. So yeah, guys, you know, comment below what you would like to see or see me do or see me trade next, or see like what do you want me to teach you guys? Anything that, any requests that you want, comment it down below. I'll do my best to fulfill it, as long as it's not some crazy shit, right? But that's it for this trade. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I hope my teaching was good enough, right? And yeah, I mean, this is what I teach in my mentorship, but a lot more detail and a lot more back testing for you guys. So if you want details on my personal mentorship, follow me on Instagram and DM me mentor all caps, and I will get back to you, or my assistant will get back to you, and we will go from there. Anyways, thank you so much for watching this video from the start to the finish, guys. I hope you guys found this informative and helpful, and if you did, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and also go check out the Discord and Instagram. Links are in the description below. And yeah, I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.
If you come fuck with my